Little baby bird. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You can't touch it with your hand, okay, Wesley? The mommy can't. Oh, oh my gosh.
It's like just born.
Are you just born? Oh, buddy, you're so cute.
Where's Augie?
Don't touch with your hands.
Don't touch with your hands.
So sweet. Why don't you put it on top of the chicken coop? The little birdies are looking for their nest. They were on the chicken coop. Daddy put them in the playhouse. And we're waiting for the birds to come and find them. Oh, here we go.
Did you get it?
Dan.
Take it.
You see that little birdie?
Yeah.
Those are her babies. The mother's there, Dan.
Are you taking a video?
Mm-hmm.